We know keeping ourselves and our families safe during the coronavirus pandemic has been a little more challenging. So today we are checking in with Dr. Haley Zimmer, a primary care physician with Metro Health. You specialize in internal medicine and pediatrics. So what's it been like for your patients and what advice are you giving now?
Well, at this point, I'm really encouraging my patients to get back into the office. Since the shutdown, patients may have missed their routine checkups, and especially for things like chronic medical conditions, diabetes, high blood pressure, COPD, patients may now be overdue. And with these chronic conditions, we worry that they may be becoming uncontrolled, putting patients at risk for complications from the disease and if they were to contract COVID.
Exactly. And so you're actually you've put into place a lot of safety protocol to keep people safe in your office. Will you outline a few of those for us?
Sure. Well, of course, we're using masks throughout the office for staff and patients, giving patients the options of waiting in their car rather than the waiting room, and bringing them directly back to their exam rooms. We also have options for virtual visits for some symptoms and conditions to let patients visit the office from home.
What about for kiddos, those well checks and also maybe immunizations?
So kids may be overdue at this point for their routine well care, especially for infants and toddlers. I encourage parents to get their kids back on track for their routine well visits to follow up on growth, development, and get their immunizations updated.
And what about mental health if someone may be really struggling right now?
The current environment has placed tons of new stresses on worries on everybody. So if somebody is struggling, I really encourage them to reach out to their primary care doctor to get some resources for help. And that could even be done virtually as well.
Thanks so much. We're talking health during the coronavirus with Metro Health, University of Michigan Health.